Oops. All right, creative. So inside of the dashboard, I'm going to show you how to bring all your Shopify products over. Now, if you're not moving from Shopify, you're keeping your products or whatever on Shopify, you don't need to do this. But if you're saying, I'm moving off the Shopify platform, I'm bringing my products over, and I'm just about to redo my website real quick, this is the tutorial for you. So here we go. So first of all, you want to go over here, and there's a file that you want to download from over here. So you want to click on import CSV file and then download this. I already had this downloaded, so it's going to say sample right there. Next, you want to come over here to Shopify, click on your products. Once you click on products, press all, and you're going to go up here to where it says export. And click export. Export all products. Export. Okay, it's going to send you an email. Once it sends you the email over here, there you go, just came up. Export all your products. Just click this, and it's going to download the export. Okay, I already have this there, so I don't need to do that. So you have those two there. Okay, next, I want you to open up ChatGPT. All right, we're going to open up a new chatty. Okay, once we open up a new chatty, I have this inside of your dashboard. I want you to just copy this whole thing that I have right here. Just copy the whole thing. Okay, copy this. Once you copy this, only thing I want you to do right here is paste it over there. I want you to click right here, upload your files. Okay, the sample and products export, whatever it says there. Okay, then when you load to Shopify and it says something different, only thing you need to do is come down here and change the name so it'll know exactly what it is, but it'll get it. Okay, so from there, only thing you're going to press is this button right here. Okay, and what Chatty's going to do, as you see here, is going to analyze this. Okay, all this stuff that we got right here for this right here, because it took both of the things. And what it's going to do, it's going to do the hard work for you, so you don't have to go and manually like change out this, change out that, change out this, change out that. It's going to do it all for you. Okay, and when I created this because to make it easier for you. So as you see, here's the corrected transform products. And you're going to say download. All right. So right here, I'm just going to give it a new name because I've been doing it earlier. Okay. I'll just put Shopify ready. Now, once we have the download from Chatty over here, you go over here to Creative Space Academy. And you're just going to upload the file that ChatGPT literally just gave you. Okay. And you're going to say upload and preview. And it's going to have all the stuff. You will be importing 16 products with this upload. Importing will not overwrite any existing product and have the same handle as name, right? So it's giving you all the products or whatever. So you're going to go over here and it's going to import the products. It say we have received your request for import products. I only have 16 products. So if it's a little longer, yours might take a little longer. Okay. So right here, all the products, pictures, descriptions, all that stuff came in there. So right here, this has 14 variants. I don't know why it has 14 variants. Oh, because it has all the different things, options and stuff like that. All right. So if I had pictures associated with this, it would all showed up, but I didn't have pictures. I only had pictures for one. But as you see, all my variants, same prices, all that good stuff, it all showed up. Okay. Things that were like free, for example, this was a tufting supply list. I wouldn't put this in the store, but I had it just to label it $10 just because obviously help me because to get it over. Okay. But this I will put as like a download. So I'll maybe put that on a form, a funnel or something like that. Cause it's just a free supply list. And I don't want that in my store because it's the charge of my store. So natively, when you import all your products, it's going to be off. Okay, it's going to be off. However, if you go in literally and say include in store, and you turn them on and you go through and you just read everything, make sure everything is what it needs to be. I want to include this. Let's say I want to include this in the online store. Okay, I'm going down. I'm looking at my products there. Useful if you don't use automatic taxes. Okay, I think my taxes should be included in there and stuff. Okay, and I'm gonna press save. And we went over taxes, shipping, all that good stuff. And the other thing, I'm just showing you how to do this. All right. So now I just put a couple of things in the store. All right. And I'm going to go on here, academy.com. And in your website, yours might say store or whatever. Mine just say services because that's how we do what we do. But the point is, okay, here we go. So if somebody want to come over here, get a rug or that they want or this, whatever. And it even has where this was $375 and if these we sell these for $350, we have these there, right? It has the product there, just like it would on our Shopify. I didn't have to come in and like rechange anything or whatever. And then it says, professional shears, blah blah blah. It has all this stuff. It has all my information in there. I didn't have to go redo any of that. And then we'll just say add to cart. Let me take this off. Okay. Continue shopping. There we go. Continue shopping. Now I'm going to the checkout. All right. And so therefore I go and check out. And as you see, we are literally ready to check out. Okay. So whatever it is, we're ready to check out, ready to go. If we had a coupon code, we can put a coupon code. And this one gives me all the options from pay later options to afterpay, Klarna, etc. And it's ready to go. So if I was just to throw my email in there real quick, no, it didn't put the taxes on there. So I need to go through and put taxes on this stuff because my taxes aren't in there. All right. But anyway, I'll show you guys how to make sure that your taxes are added to your products in just a second. But I just wanted to show you real quick that it's ready to go, ready to rock and roll. It has my shipping fee, but obviously if it's over a certain amount of money, they get a free shipping option, etc. And the only thing I need to add there is the tax rate. And I'll show you guys how to add your taxes in there. I thought I had them added on this store, but what I do a lot of times doesn't require taxes. But I'll show you guys how to add your taxes in there and going from there. All right. God bless. Have a great day.